Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're showing you guys this projector stand. Alright guys, so we put together the screen. So this is how it looks. It is huge, super big, so it's great for movies outdoors, movies indoors. Overall, it is a very nice mesh. And you got a tripod on the back to hold it up. Overall, very nice. So guys, the poles go straight on through the whole way to the other end. And same for the other side. It's pretty easy. Just thread 1, 2, and 3, connect them. And then here is the tripod. So you would just connect your poles into the tripod on both ends here, and it holds everything up. And then you can adjust this really high. So this tripod goes extremely high. Overall, it is very nice, guys. So now we're getting into colder weather. So we'll be using this next summer, but we got it ahead of time, and thanks for watching.